Basta't tayo'y magkasama, basta't walang bastang walang magbabago sa ating pagkakaisa, ang masasabi ko po sa inyong lahat na sisiguraduhin ko
as much as they can. Now that we have found that we hear that the conditions are better and we can move around without.
Nung nakita ko po, bago po pa kami nakapasok dito, ay,
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay, did you graduate in Princeton
Ang alam
with
ko,
honors?
we went na to College of Law. Ang daming ang galit na galit sa akin ng mga classmate ko. Tawan-tawa ko. Dahil sa natin nila sinasabi, lahat tayo hindi nag-graduate. Paano? Mga justice na yan paano ba naman? So, we never had another graduation. So anyway, let's put it to rest na. I am...
masasabi natin na itong
But there were thousands. Marami hong nabiktima ng martial law. Some people disappeared. A lot of people were tortured, jailed.
You know, I cannot. I mean, well, well, I'm. Well, this
It's
is
a difficult question.
no, it's not. It's just that I cannot. It's a question that we have talked about.
basta't tayo'y
Magnanakaw, lagi